Hello, Sari Stars. How are things going on in your saring world? I'm Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I have for you a beautiful collection of bridal Kanjivaram silk saris. These saris are in very beautiful, festive, traditional colors which brides choose for their weddings, and the designs and motifs are also those that you choose for weddings. So let's get started with these beautiful saris. We begin with a beautiful 10 yards Kanjivaram silk sari in the perfect traditional combination of green and araku. The body of this beautiful 10 yards Kanjivaram silk sari is in this lovely deep emerald green or maragada pacha, and there are beautiful Mail Chakram motifs done in zari all over the body. The borders are in a lovely araku color and the motifs are Arai Madam, paisleys and temples. Now, Araimadam motif is usually preferred in wedding saris because the Araimadam motif signifies the equality of the spouses in the marriage. So, this is a motif that brides traditionally choose for their weddings. This is a 10 yard or Pattagajam sari, and this is perfect to drape in a Madisar style or other Navvari kind of styles. The pallu of this gorgeous sari is in the same deep araku as the borders, and it has similar Araimadam motifs as the borders. This sari doesn't come with a blouse fabric. You can pair it with any traditional Araku blouse or gold tissue blouse and accessorize it with beautiful gold or diamond bridal jewelry. One more beautiful 10 yards Madisar sari. This one is a Vairavusi Kanjivaram silk sari. We have restocked this beautiful sari since many of you liked it the last time we had this. The body of this beautiful sari is in the vintage Kalyana Araku shade, and there are Vairavusi lines all over the body. You can see the Vairavusi here. The borders are beautiful zari borders and they have lovely vintage style, old style floral motifs. The pallu of this beautiful sari has zari motifs similar to the borders. This sari comes with a running blouse fabric, but it will look fabulous with a gold tissue blouse, a pattu blouse. You can accessorize it with beautiful traditional gold or diamond jewelry for the perfect bridal look. We now have a set of beautiful Kanjivaram silk saris. These are all 6-yard Kanjivaram silk saris. These are perfect for the various festivities that happen during a wedding. So if you're a bride who is planning your trousseau or you have a daughter and you're planning her trousseau, then these saris are just perfect for these occasions. This is a beautiful Kalyana Araku kind of color, and the body has beautiful zari grids and there are Mail Chakram motifs in zari all over the body. The borders have beautiful Kuilkan motifs done in zari. The pallu of this beautiful sari is simply gorgeous and breathtaking. It has gorgeous motifs of pakshis, diamonds and manga or paisley all done in zari. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or you can pair it with a beautiful emerald green blouse or a lovely tissue blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. This is one of my favorite saris from today's collection and this is absolutely majestic and magnificent. Yellow is a color which always gives out happy vibes, and when it's combined with Araku or deep maroon, it's considered one of the most auspicious combinations. We have a beautiful Korvai Kanjivaram for you in this lovely traditional combination. This is is a beautiful vintage style Korvai Kanjivaram silk saree. The body is in a very lovely shade of yellow and there are beautiful Pakshi motifs in zari on the body. The borders are Rettapete Korvai borders in maroon and there are beautiful Pakshi motifs along the borders done in zari. The pallu of this beautiful saree is classic and there are lovely zari lines on this maroon pallu. The saree comes with a maroon blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with a lovely traditional necklace. A beautiful, gorgeous Kanjivaram silk saree in the traditional, auspicious color combination of Arakku red and mustard is what we have for you now. The body of this gorgeous Kanjivaram silk saree is in this lovely traditional Arakku red color and there are lovely coin buttas done in zari all over the body. The borders are in a beautiful mustard and there are zari motifs with Banaras designs on them. The pallu is in this beautiful mustard color and it's a gorgeous pallu with intricate zari motifs. The motifs are Banaras motifs, fish motifs and Mail Chakram motifs. The saree comes with a beautiful mustard blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with a lovely emerald etiquette. A beautiful short pink Kanjivaram silk saree with Arai Madam motifs is what we have for you now. This saree again is one of my personal favorites. There are beautiful Mail Chakram motifs done in zari on this beautiful short colored pink. It's a dual tone pink. You can see the effect of this dhoopcha or dual tone here. The borders have the much coveted and loved Arai Madam motifs and there are also temples done in zari. There is a beautiful green selvage which highlights the beauty of this lovely border. The saree has a beautiful, gorgeous pallu and the motifs on it are done in zari and these motifs are those of maan or deer, pakshi and beautiful Mail Chakram motifs. The saree comes with a running blouse fabric but you can pair it with a beautiful deep green blouse or with a beautiful Rani pink blouse and an orange blouse and accessorize it with contrasting jewellery or with traditional gold jewellery. Up next is a beautiful purple Kanjivaram silk saree with lovely zari checks on it. This is the gorgeous Kanjivaram silk saree in a lovely rich deep purple shade. There are beautiful zari kattam or zari checks all over the body. The borders are done in zari and they have diamond shaped motifs on them. The classy pallu of this beautiful Kanjivaram silk saree has seeparekal done in zari. The saree has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or you can pair it with a beautiful ivory blouse and accessorize it with lovely pearl jewellery or gold jewellery. I absolutely love the red maroon combination with yellow. And this one is in a beautiful combination, unusual shade of chili red with yellow. The body of this beautiful saree is in this lovely shade of chili red and there are circular zari buttas all over the body. The borders are Rettapete borders and these are Korvai borders and they are in an auspicious shade of yellow. The pallu is a grand pallu completely done in zari. And the motifs are seeparekal, Pegasus, Yana or elephant and beautiful Pakshi motifs all done in zari. The saree comes with a yellow blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with a nice kemp adiya. To become a Kalpavastram bride, head over to our website www.kalpavastram.com. You can directly purchase these sarees from our website. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more sarees and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.